June 2022 twice. Heard grizzly activity. Securing vehicle overnight.
Found something.
He was protecting them, documenting their habitat.
The bears weren't destroying it, they were just living.
Torque specs confirmed on the rear suspension. Drive shaft secure. Wheels mounted and torqued.
Taking Dad back to his bears!
He'd be proud, Sarah. We're right behind you.
Did it!
This is unbelievable.
Woo! Quarter mile ahead.
Grizzly, mature male, massive.
She raised cubs in here. Oh. 3 seasons.
We're gonna honor this. Frame damage confirmed near the front axle.
Documenting the puncture marks now. Hold steady. Radiator fluid is leaking fast. We need to patch this immediately.
Oh, man. Engine's salvageable, barely.
June 2022 twice. Heard grizzly activity. Securing vehicle overnight.
Easy. Frozen ground's unstable here.
Secure on frame rail. Confirmed secure. Pulled and pull. It's breaking free. Watch the lines. Look at the rocker panel. Completely gone.
Found something.
We'll find Patterson's family.
Convoy is moving. Watch the grade up ahead. Copy that, lead. Taking it slow. Welcome back, everyone. You made it just in time for the golden hour. Bring it on in. Yay! Welcome to Mountain Guardian Motors.
Let's see what we're really working with.
Goes completely through. Incredible force.
Passenger side structural compromise. Frame assessment needed.
There's the frame damage.
Grizzly Tracking Project, Summer 2020.
We have to find his family.
He was protecting them, documenting their habitat.
The bears weren't destroying it, they were just living.
Hello, this is Mountain Guardian Motors. We've recovered your father's vehicle. I think this confirms the damage report.
Frame rail buckled here, here, and complete rust through section. Look at these mounting points. Totally twisted.
This oil pan is destroyed.
Unknown minus Montana.
You found my dad's Bronco? We've been searching for closure for 4 years.
We're restoring it, honoring his work.
Section removed, ready for replacement fabrication.
Measure twice, cut once. It's got to be exact to the model.
Yep, that's perfect.
Let's get this installed.
Oh my God.
We're bringing it back, honoring his grizzly research.
He loved them so much. He died protecting their habitat.
He'd want this Bronco to continue his mission, protecting grizzly habitat.
We will. We'll build his legacy into every detail.
Hold, perfect. Tack set. Nice. Nailed it.
Hold, 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 hold. Perfect. Tack set. Thank you all. We did it. Frame solid. Patterson's Bronco is coming back. Hear that? Cool down. Tonight we rest.
Engine's locked up solid, but block might be salvageable.
Come on, you old thing. Got some oil on it, Jake?
Yeah, that did it.
Finally. All right, next one. Entire ecosystem in here.
3 years of wildlife calling it home.
Cylinder 3 scored badly, bearings toast, head needs machining.
3.648 inches within spec for standard bore. Looks perfect. The digital pen, the tablet screen.
Perfect fit, textbook installation.
Perfect fit, textbook installation.
"24, 26, 20, 30 foot-pounds, click.
Textbook assembly. Guardian of the Grizzlies. Dad would love this.
His mission powers this restoration.
Engines ready? Pad. Let's bring this Bronco back to the wild.
Every panel tells the bear story.
These 4 claw marks, preserve them. They're too deep structurally, but we'll recreate the texture in the final paint.
Keep the story visible.
Keep the pressure steady. Just a little more. Perfect. Perfect. It's coming back.
That's the shape coming back.
Rotate 10 degrees.
Male grizzly, approximately 600 pounds based on claw spacing and pressure depth.
And this spacing here?
Matches.
That's identical to the original damage.
That's identical to the original damage. Body's ready for color.
Patterson would be proud of this tribute. Claw marks preserved. The bear's mark stays. Dad's mountains, the bears he loved, it's all there in the color. Every detail honors his mission.
3 days to complete assembly, then the moment we've built toward first start.
2 inches, 1 inch, easy, 6 millimeters.
Aligned perfectly.
Patterson's heart is back.
First connection.
Engine's home.
Torque specs confirmed on the rear suspension. Drive shaft secure. Wheels mounted and torqued.
It's finished, completely finished.
Patterson's legacy on wheels.
For you, Dad.
Take your time. Turn it over, Sarah.
Bring it back to life. It's alive. Dad, it's alive.
Yeah! Taking Dad back to his bears!
He'd be proud, Sarah. We're right behind you.
The bears are what matter. Protect them always.
Mission accomplished, Dad. He's here. In every detail, every drive, every bear we protect with this.